everyone, my name is Manna Hussain. I'm an IB DP1 student. On today's episode of Tech Tips for Online Education, brought to you by IBCAS students, both DP1 and DP2, I will be showing you this website called Notion. Notion is basically a creative workspace that can turn a page as plain as this to something very cool and fancy to keep you productive, on time, and on task. So let me show you how I turned this to this. First off, you can do anything you want with this. So there's no limits, there's no anything. You can create codes and new commands basically, and you can do basically anything. So let's just put this cold person because we're in winter now. You can add a cover page. You can change the cover from here or reposition it. Excuse me. For the cold, you can put this guy, and it looks very cool already. You can add sub pages or headers. For example, if we do like the other one, we can put here school, and then we can add a page where we can just write our notes. Let's use notes, and then we can use templates. So these templates are created by Notion itself, where it gives you basic idea of like how to start. Basically, you don't have to follow any of the templates. You can create your own. However, this is a good way to start for beginners, and I've used some of them. Here's some class notes. This is under education. You can go and see how they do it, see the way things work. Here's some personal things that you can use. There's a task list. Personally, I still haven't used this, but I think I will start to soon. There's a journal, which I have indeed started using. And there's many more. For now, let's just go with class notes, since we did name our page that, and you just click use template. And this is just an example of what you should do. There is no limit to what you can go, and personally I haven't even discovered all of Notion yet, so feel free to just explore, open pages, close pages, delete everything. Here you can create templates for your pages. There's type, material, whatever. You can change this, you can delete it, just mess around, do whatever you want, delete. Basically, just go crazy with what you should do. You can also add calendars and tables to be more organized. So if I go over here, like that, let's go down and search for calendar or table. Here's a calendar. We can try using that. You can add tasks over here. Let's write that cast video. And here it is. Now it's due the 30th, and when the 30th comes, you know when the things are due. And yeah, that's basically what it is. I can't go on too much because every person is different. And here's just an example of how mine works. However, I don't want you to feel tied to what I did. You can do whatever you want. Here's the thing though, if you sign up with your school account like I did, Hussain at MKSschool.com, you get Personal Pro for free, which is a very nice benefit to have from the school and Notion, where it offers students free unlimited uploads and things like that, and sharing with members. So you'd be able to create as much as you want and upload as many data as you need. You can also sync it to your phone, so you can basically just stay organized everywhere you go. And yes, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you.